Knife here. Here it is. Here it is. Jai Krish.
All together hold.
Hey, why did you do her birthday? No?
Happy birthday
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jai. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. Chick, 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 chick.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Yeah.
blow it.
Blow it.
Make a wish.
Yeah, not be so cool. Wait, I think
Yeah,
what
you
I'm
give a
doing now.
first bite to your daughter.
Because I want to that. Happy birthday. And I was like, huh, what's going on there? Is it happy birthday? I need to go there.
Oh, really?
And I was like,
birthday
yeah,
to you,
I need to go there.
See the Jedi.
Nice celebration.
Have to feed
Everybody
for Jedi.
Bye-bye.
Feed for
Little bit,
Rajul
little
and
bit. Yeah. Take one bite. like
First
this.
sister.
First sister, your sister first. Like this.
like this. இத பாஜ போனா like this. Feed for Rajul Jedi.
You put it. You little bit small bite. Yay.
Where is Jai Krish?
Jai Krish.
Jai Krish.
You have to feed her.
Jai Krish. இங்க வா.
அவன் மட்டும் தனியா போயிடுறான்.
இவன் சுத்தி ஒரே கேர்ள்ஸா இருந்தா. இங்க வாடா. ஐயோ எல்லா வீடியோல ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுதே.
Nice. See, we got
wish
nice
you.
bench also. See, to
Okay,
keep
finish
it.
that question.
Come.
ஏய்
இங்க வா.
நீ ஊட்டி விடு அவனுக்கு. நீ எடுத்து ஊட்டி விடு ஜாக்.
Come now, we all will have one group pick up.
Yeah, but this will take it.
Wait. It will go inside. Wait. One group.
செல்ஃபி.
We are talking a bit about safety security.
வாங்க.
இதோ நான் யார் போட்டோ எடுப்பா?
செல்ஃபி
செல்ஃபியா ஓகே.
Where is
இத நான் வீடியோ லாஸ்ட் நீங்க ஊட்டி விடுங்க நான் எடுக்கறேன்.
Eat. Full cake is yours. Okay, give this one.
Happy birthday. No, he said he will buy a big one. Only few children only know whether he will like that.
Yes,
நீங்க போய்
yes,
ஊட்டி விடுங்க.
True. Okay, we'll keep this one. We'll keep this because definitely.
Cut no.
I'm going to sit now like this.
Sit and cut.
Okay, guys.
Take this.
What is the glitch clothes?